Hey, welcome to today's video. I'm Richard Chapo. I'm a privacy lawyer in San Diego, California. Today we're looking at a quick development on the CCPA, the California Consumer Privacy Act. And the question is, will the CCPA enforcement date be delayed? The current enforcement date is July 1st, 2020, and that was set by statute by the California State Legislature in November 2018. Obviously, at that time, they weren't anticipating that we would have this major societal disruption. And while we haven't gone full Mad Max at this point, I think we can all agree that most people's concerns, privacy isn't really the issue they're looking at right now. If you're an individual, you're trying to figure out how to keep your family safe and how to pay your bills at the end of the month. And if you are a business owner or in management, you're probably trying to figure out how do you keep the business functioning given the major economic downturn and Congress's inability, incredibly, to get their act together and to pass some kind of legislation that would provide funds to individuals and businesses to get through this unique and extraordinary time. So anyways, with the current enforcement date is July 1st, 2020, the question is, who's going to be ready for it? And the answer is not many companies. And so a number of associations, which you can see listed there at the bottom of the video, have sent correspondence to the California Attorney General's office requesting that enforcement date be delayed 6 months to January 1st, 2021. We haven't heard anything from the AG's office as of yet, but one would think that a delay would be pretty reasonable at this point. The mechanics of how it would be put in place are still kind of up in the air because, again, the California Attorney General's office didn't set the July 1st, 2020 date. The legislature did. So arguably the legislature would have to pass some kind of a quickie bill, if you will, resetting the date. But nonetheless, one would think that some kind of a solution could be agreed upon. Unfortunately, we're in California where reasonable minds apparently don't exist. And businesses are viewed as evil, evil, evil. So we'll just have to wait and see how it plays out. I will post a video on this subject once we hear back from the AG's office. Or alternatively, if you don't want to subscribe to this channel, you can go ahead and create a Google alert to get the information. Because trust me, it will be posted somewhere because there are a lot of companies waiting to hear one way or the other. So anyways, keeping an ear out for the developments in this area, because obviously if that July 1st, 2020 date is not changed, it's going to be kind of crazy because most businesses are barely functioning at this point. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll be happy to answer them. Or you can always contact me at socalinternetlawyer.com. So stay safe.